Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw Siren Head. Now, I've had a lot of requests to draw this, and originally I wasn't going to just because I thought it was kind of creepy, but everyone kept asking and asking, so I'm going to go ahead and do it just because of the spirit of Halloween coming up. Now, to start off with Siren Head, we're going to begin with the face, and I actually turned my paper up and down so we can make him nice and tall. So the first thing we want to do is start up here and we want to draw an oval shape. So we're just going to make a nice oval shape that goes down and comes back up. And I made this one kind of skinny. Now I want to start here and I'm going to draw another oval shape that goes around and I'm going to end it right here. They're not going to connect. So we're just going to go around and come right to about here. Next, I'm going to start here. We're going to make a diagonal line that goes in and then one down here that comes up. So we're going to go down like this, and then I'm going to bring it up like that. Now, starting here, we're going to make a little line that goes up. It's going to come down and go to right about there. And then I want to add another one of these little kind of siren shaped heads over here. Now this one is going to be actually facing the other direction. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw a line that goes up like this. Then I'm going to start here and we're going to draw a curved line that comes down and up. And then right here we're just going to draw a line that comes in here. Now, I'm going to start right here at this line, and I'm going to make it a little bit bumpy, and it's going to come out just a little bit wider. Same thing over here, we're just going to bring it out a little bit. Now, starting here, we're going to make a little line that goes out, and then one that comes out over here. And then the shoulders. We're going to make a little bumpy line that goes out. It's going to come back inside. Same thing over here, we're going to go out, and go up, and just kind of make some bumps. They don't have to be the same or perfect. Now the arms of the siren head are really, really long, so they're going to come pretty much all the way down to the bottom of our paper. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come down, put a few bumps in it, let a line right here that curves around. And then I'm going to come back up like this. Same thing here, going to draw a line that goes down. We're going to put a couple little curves in it and then bring it back up. Now this arm, I'm going to draw a line. It's going to go down to about here. And then I want to kind of make this a little bit wider. So I'm going to make the space a little wider over here. Do the same thing on this side, draw a line down, and then another one down here. Now for the hands, like I said, they're almost touching the ground. So I'm going to just start right here, and we'll draw a little long line that goes down and curves up. For a finger, we'll draw another one here. One right here. And this one I'm going to curve around and bring it up to here. I'm pretty much going to do the same thing on this side. Draw a little line that goes down and curves up. Another one here. Nice long one right there. And then we're going to curve the opposite way and bring it up. They also do have a pinky, so we can add a little small one right behind it. Inside of here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve up to here. Do the same thing on this side. And then I'm just going to add another little line that comes up. It almost kind of looks like a skeleton part of the arm. Next, let's move on to the body. So I'm going to start right about here. I'm going to add a couple little lines that curve in a little bit. Then I'm going to add a little line that curves like this, and then one that curves like that. I'll add another one here, another one that goes down and curves in. one that goes down and curves up. We'll do the same thing up here. Then I'll add maybe one or two little bumps on this side, and maybe just one more on this. Next, I'm going to start here. We're going to draw two lines that just curve down. Then I'm going to make a line that goes up, and it's going to just kind of curve its way down to about here, and it's going to come back up. Do the same thing here, just kind of curve up. We're going to come down, go right to about here, just curve around, bring it up. Then I'll just draw a little curved line right there. Now right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that goes down. It's going to go over and then come back up. Kind of looks like a skeleton a little bit. We'll do the same thing over here. I'll make this one a little bit wider. And then I'm going to draw a little line that goes down and then comes back up. Now starting here for the feet, they are kind of like a skeleton foot, so I'm going to draw a little line that goes out and it's going to come back like this. Another one here, another one right there, and then a little small one here. Then we're just going to curve around. This time I'll kind of start the opposite way. I'll go out and then curve back. Another one like this, one more here, and then we'll draw one right behind it. So this is our basic drawing of our siren head. Now we want to come in here, we want to add all of the different details. So one of the first things we want to do is add the mouth in here. So I'm just going to draw a little curved line that goes on the top and bottom. Then I'm going to add some little lines for some teeth in here. This one I'm going to add just a little curved line just to show that's kind of looking the other direction. And then apparently this thing has some crazy tongues that come out. So I'm just going to make a long kind of wavy line like this. Then I'm going to make it really skinny and I'll bring it right back to here. Now to make this look like it has some texture, I'm just going to add some little extra lines right around here for some little details. I'm going to add some kind of like curved lines and just some extra little detail lines right around here. Now he's also got some of these little kind of cords or something coming around here. So I'm going to add a few little cords that just kind of wrap around here and then go right into his body here. I'm going to add a few little extra little lines for like ribs and stuff just to kind of make it look like they're sticking out a little bit. And we're just going to curve these lines around. We'll add a few up here too. Maybe a little curved line on each side of here, kind of where your collarbone would be. And a couple little lines going down. Then I'm just going to kind of come in here and add some different little lines all over the place. I like to find some spots where there's a curve and maybe add like a little extension of the line. So like right here is a nice little curve. I'm going to just add an extra line there. Maybe I'll do the same thing here. Lots of little broken lines for texture and detail. We'll add a few more in here. I'm going to add some kind of long little broken lines right in here. And we'll just add a few more little lines kind of around the legs and everything. We'll add a few more in here. We can do the same thing on this part of the arms. And you know, there's really no right or wrong way to do this. I know I'm going a little bit faster through this part, but it's just all about adding different lines and details. You can do the same thing on the feet, add maybe a few little curved lines here and there. And we'll just kind of add some extra little lines all over the place. Up on the face, or I guess you want to call it the face with the sirens, I'll add a few little extra lines here and a few little details. And here you go. Here is your drawing of a siren head. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.